Hi, ukulele friends. Lisa the Ukulele Fool here. I've been a music educator since 1983. Started Eielson Air Force Base in Fairbanks, Alaska. So I've been teaching music for not a hot minute, a hot hour. So I have a ukulele that came in, or at least I think it's going to be a ukulele in here. If it's not, I'm just talking to the camera for nothing. Okay. This is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm going to give a first impressions. Then I'm going to play this instrument for several days and give you some final thoughts on this instrument, as well as a comparison with a comparable instrument. So let's go. Okay, I've got it out of the box. Of course, it's out of tune. We got to remedy that, but it looks really nice. It came totally undamaged. Oh, it has a bowed back on it, and this one really does. This is really a bowed back on it. Enclosed chrome tuners. The fretboard is really nice and smooth here, so you're not going to have any problems there. It's a satin finish on it. Wood looks really nice. It says it's a mahogany ukulele. I'm going to tune it up. Oh, there was a spider that crawled out of the inner box. It made me think of, hide me deadly black tarantula, daylight come and we want to go home. Well, let's get this tuned up and let's play a little. Some interesting things I've discovered here since I've gotten this tuned up. It took a while to tune this. Many of the strings were very close to being in tune, but the A was really, really low. So I had to really crank it up. And I'm finding that a lot of the ukuleles that I have gotten with my own money and that have been sent to me in PR, like this instrument, they are really close to being in tune, which is really nice for a beginner. The A was really out on this one. So, oh, is it staying there? Yeah, pretty close. Okay, so let's give it a play. Going out of tune that quickly. Yeah, the A is going out quickly. So here's what I can tell you is that I'm going to have to play along with this quite a bit before you can actually hear a comparison. But there's a couple things that I have observed. Something that I really liked in the book came in 3 different languages, had French and Spanish in here, and it covered things in a booklet that I've never seen in any ukulele package before. One thing, it showed the different sizes of the ukuleles in there, so I thought that was pretty cool. A whole page dedicated to that, so because I have so many people that, when they come in as beginners, they don't know what they have. It also showed all the parts of the ukulele. That's very nice. And it had a whole 2 pages dedicated on how to tune your ukulele, as well as how to use a chromatic tuner. So, nothing terrifies me more than teaching an online Zoom class of total beginners and teaching them how to tune a ukulele online. So yay, so that's very good. The brand name is Vangoa on this. And it comes with a tuner. It comes with a capo, and it clearly says it's guitar capo. So one of the things I'm going to do with this ukulele is I'm going to bust this guitar. I'm going to liberate it. That's a better word. I'm going to liberate this guitar capo from its package and show you a little bit more on what the difference between a guitar capo versus a ukulele-sized capo. It also comes with a clip-on tuner. Looks very much standard like the ones I've got, but I'm going to test it out because my husband, who was delivering ukuleles to a group that part of our charity efforts that I do through Patreon. So if you think you like to help spread the ukulele love and do that through instruments and instruction, yeah, come support me at this channel on Patreon. Anyway, he was delivering them and he was trying to help them get them tuned, and he said the tuners were awful on a ukulele package that he delivered to a school in Fairbanks. So I'm going to check that tuner out as well. Something else that was kind of a little off-putting to me. It comes with a strap, and it comes drilled with straps. That's not what's off-putting to me. What's off-putting to me is this is a guitar strap. I've never played with a guitar strap on a ukulele. Everything that I've done has been more appropriately sized for ukuleles. So I'm going to liberate this from the packaging too and give that a try and give you my thoughts. So I'm going to play around a couple of days. I'll come back and it'll be just a blink of an eye. Hey, I'm back. And now you decide to come bug me. Well, I am back and I have some definite opinions. So as soon as I close the door, I'm going to come back and share those with you. Get these dogs out of here. Oh, so many opinions. Let me play this for you, and then I'm going to play a comparable instrument, and I'll let you make some decisions too. Come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. Okay, this instrument is coming in just at under $60 on Amazon. It is available on Amazon Prime, and that's how it came to me. Now I'm going to swap out, and I'm going to play an instrument which, if it's still September, I'm doing a giveaway with this Payson concert model. Same price, same kind of package setup. It has strap buttons, ready for a strap, all that kind of good stuff, okay? Come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. So please let me know down in the comments your thoughts on this. Now I'm going to dive into some really technical details. You might have already made up your mind and you don't need to hear this, but I have some definite opinions. Well, the first thing that I can tell you is that, I wasn't annoyed by the guitar strap at all. In fact, this is a very soft material. It's very flexible. It actually feels pretty comfortable. It fits on the ukulele. So I think that the fact that it has a guitar strap and a wide one with this particular guitar strap is not a problem at all. But, yo baby, there's some real problems with this instrument. So, this is a really beautiful instrument. It seems like it's really well made, and yet it doesn't sound good. Did you think it sounded good? And again, I'm looking forward to reading those comments. So I think it's the strings. There is an A. It comes in a little sharp. Starts out, I have a great deal of difficulty tuning that A string too. See how it tips sharp there afterwards when the note is still dying off. Now I'm going to play a C. 3rd fret on the A string. Significantly sharper. It's going way into the yellow there. Let's take it up even higher. There's an E. So as I keep going up the A string, it's sharp. And I found that it's not that sharp, like for example the E string, And then I'll play a G on the E string, which is 3rd fret. And that's actually, you know, whoops, that's actually coming a little bit low there. Even though it's, but they're much closer in tune than that A string. So anytime you play anything, now I'm the first person to tell you that I do not have perfect pitch, but I have a lot of experience with pitch because I try to be an adequate singer, and then I have over 50 years of flute playing experience and a degree in it. So yeah, I had to use my ear a lot because flutes are horribly out of tune. So that's why this instrument doesn't sound good. It's out of tune perpetually all the time because something wonky is going on with the strings is my first guess. The second guess is that something in the setup at the nut or the bridge is a problem. So, as much as I found that, you know, I think this is a very well-made instrument. I think there's really good bones here, but I cannot recommend this instrument particularly because of this price point being just under $60. It's gift-giving season coming up, you know, giving an instrument or starting out as a beginner for any, you're not going to want to have to change the strings. And particularly, I've talked before about this type of bridge. I have an instrument with a bridge like this, and I hate changing the strings on it because I have to look up at tying the knots every single time. I much prefer the kind of bridge that I have here. Now this instrument is way more expensive, but like that. But that wasn't good. No instruments were harmed in the filming of this video. A bridge like this, beautiful, and it's so easy to deal with. So I'm going to have to say pass on this instrument. I will be talking with the company, and I'm going to do another video as a result. Can this ukulele be saved? I'm going to experiment around with the strings, so stay tuned for that. If you like this kind of video, please hit the thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and let's see if this instrument can be saved. All right, keep spreading the ukulele love, folks. Bye-bye.